Medichem Labs, the ISO 9001 manufacturer, specializes in infection control and prevention solutions since 1999. Products trusted by hospitals and doctors across India, now available for consumers. Alcodus hand sanitizer, with biocides for complete protection. Decol, the multi-purpose disinfectant for hard surfaces. Suitable as cleaning, spraying or mopping solution, to disinfect, decontaminate and deodorize. Nanosan, the fumigant that disinfectants closed areas or air conditioning ducts to give fresh healthy air. Spraydees, the decontamination spray, that makes cleaning hard surfaces completely easy and safe. Locavir, the industrial decontamination aerosol spray, suitable for any surfaces, especially equipment and machinery, for its non-corrosive nature. Veggie-Tab, the food disinfectant, a much required disinfectant in your kitchen or in restaurants to disinfect raw food, like fruits, vegetables, meat and fish. Medichem Labs has the antiviral and antibacterial solutions to provide all-round safety.